Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps on how to report and block a contact on WhatsApp, helping you keep your chat safe and your experience worry-free. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and tap the search icon. This is the magnifying glass symbol. Now, type the name of the contact you want to report and block. When you see their name in the search results, tap on it to open your chat with them. Next, at the very top of the chat screen, tap on their name again. This will take you to the contact's profile page. Scroll down until you see the option that says Report, followed by the contact's name. Tap on this option. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your action. Here you'll see a checkbox labeled Block Contact. Make sure to check this box if you want to block them as well as report them. Once you've checked Block Contact, tap Report to confirm your choice. That's it. The contact will be reported to WhatsApp, and they'll be blocked from sending you any more messages, calls, or status updates. They won't be notified that you've blocked or reported them, so you can take this step discreetly. Blocking and reporting a contact is a powerful way to stop unwanted messages, spam, or harassment. Remember, you can always unblock a contact later if you change your mind, and you can delete or archive the chat if you want to clear it from your chat list. If you ever feel threatened or unsafe, don't hesitate to reach out to your local authorities for help. For more tips on staying safe on WhatsApp, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and take care of your privacy.